Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be discussing about two important things. So firstly is regarding the paid or pro DiMAAC components or templates that I released, and then second is regarding an open source project or a repo that one of my friend, or more like a brother, named Pulkit created. So it has a lot of free components, templates, landing pages, hero sections, and all crazy stuff, which I will be basically going and showing you what those actually are. So yeah, this is what the video is about. Stick to the end to understand everything, and then use both DiMAAC as well as the free templates that my friend created. So yeah, without any delay, let's get started and let's learn about the video. So let's start with the DiMAAC components. So I've released DiMAAC a few months back, will almost be a year or so. But yeah, this has React Next.js component, which you can copy paste and start using. So when I click on this Explore Now button, you get taken to the actual page wherein I have all the different components listed. So these are completely free and will be free. And whatever new components I release will be free, apart from the templates. Now the template also has free and then paid version. So recently I thought of, why don't I make premium templates that can be used for professional use cases as well. So even the free ones can be used, but the paid or the premium ones have a bit more extra stuff that really make them premium and not free. So initially I started off just with single paged portfolio websites, which are clean and minimal, because I've seen for the past few years that most of the design engineers as well as front end devs and some backend devs as well basically prefer using minimal single page portfolio websites instead of very sophisticated too animated websites. So I started off with minimalistic websites. So I've released a couple, so most of these are single paged. Now I have started making more multi-paged website templates, which will be released in next month. And also some of the paid ones are multi-page, which are 6-7 page long with a very modern and classy approach. So here, as you can see, we have quite a lot of free templates. If you scroll down, we have around like 13 templates, including paid and free. And then in the upcoming months as well, every month I'm going to be dropping in more components, and more components, or more templates, which will be free as well as paid. So here, so this is another free template. So let's just open it in a full screen. So here, it has this cool preview animation, or yeah, I mean, like a preloading thing. And then this is the landing section, and then as you keep scroll as you go on scrolling, you see that we have this spiral kind of uh, animated gallery. So these are all the different projects that you've built if you use it as your own portfolio. So you can scroll, and then these would react to your mouse wheel movement, and then you can click on any of the projects, and then it opens up in like a separate page. So, and here you can add more details regarding what that particular project was. And then from here on, you can also go to the previous as well as to your next project. And yeah, in case if you don't like the spiral view, you can switch to the list, and then here it just shows you the list of the different projects that you have worked on, and then you have an about section, and then you have a simple contact. So it's really cool, has this cool interactive 3D helix kind of spiral thingy. So this is a new one that I released, which you guys can download for free. So you just scroll down and then click on this download zip, and it's gonna start downloading. So there's that. So similarly, like this, we have other free templates, which are very easy to download, one click, and it'll just start downloading. Now coming to the paid one, you can, let's just click on this paid, and then it'll give you 5 paid templates. As of now, we only have 5. Now there is no live preview for these, because I thought of to make it a bit more secure, but then since I didn't have too much time, so I feel like having the video is more than enough to explain what the actual product is. So you can, click on any one of these, and then you can start playing the video, so you'll see a entire, rundown of that particular project. So this is a paid template for a finance website. So it's basically multi-paged, so you can, interact with various elements. You can go to different pages. We have strategies, portfolio, team, and then investors, as well as a contact page. So it has a lot of stuff in there. Similar to this, we have the other paid templates as well. So you can, go ahead, purchase, and then start using these for free. Now, the way to use or purchase this, so I've used Lemon Squeezy as the paywall. Now, I didn't want, to make it complicated, so I wanted like a very quick solution that's easier for me as well, because I wanted to release it pretty quickly. So I've used a Lemon Squeezy for the payment stuff. So I don't think you really need to bother about that. All you have to do is, when you want to, subscribe, you can just click on here, or you can just go to the pricing page when you click on this DiMAAC Pro. So we have two types of subscription. So one is $9 a month, or if you want like for an entire year, you can have it for $99 a year. And yeah, you'll be getting all the different paid templates, and in future, if I add paid components as well, so you're going to be getting everything. And yeah, so that's pretty much what this has. So you can use it however you want. So when you click on any of these, you get taken to the Lemon Squeezy page, wherein you have to fill in the details, and then add the payment stuff. But I'm just going to be showing you how it would look like once you're done basically with the payment. So once you're done with the payment, you'll receive a email, so which looks something like this. So this is how the mail would look like. So once you're done with that, you would have your license key, which is this. So you just have to copy this license key, and all you have to do is come back and go to any paid template that you want, and you come to any paid template. You just add the code that you just copied. Oops, not this. Let me just copy it again. Okay, and let's paste it, and then you can click on zip. Now obviously this is a testing one, so even if you click, it won't really work, because the license that I added was for test, and since it's in production, you would actually need to purchase, and then you'll get the actual license key, and then you can paste it in here, and once you click on download zip, it's going to start downloading. And this you can do for any templates that you have in this website. So you can do it for all the different templates, all the different paid templates. So that's the DiMAAC Pro. Hope this helps, and would really urge you guys to, if you really want to show support to the channel, as well as help me grow. This is like a really I would really appreciate it. It's not like you have to do it, but if you really feel like it, you should definitely try the paid version. And I know that this is at the very early stage. We do not have too many templates, but as we go on, I'll be stacking up more templates. I'll be releasing more every month, so this thing's gonna keep stacking up, and then it's gonna be bigger. Now obviously the price is lower compared to all the traditional templates or component library that we have. Every component library, I think, has around $20 or so, but I thought of keeping it slightly lower compared to the others, because obviously this has slightly less stuff compared to them. So it's gonna stay $9 a month, and then $9 a year, and I will be stacking up more components. So yeah, looking forward to the support. And if you guys find any bugs regarding free or the paid templates, do reach out. I will be fixing it, and any fix or any upgrade you see in the template, you can download it whenever you want. yeah, that's pretty much it for the DiMAAC. Now coming to the repo that my friend created. So this is the link. You can go to Pulkit page /Claude directory. Obviously, the description. In the description, you'll have the link to both DiMAAC as well as Claude directory. So here he has over 500 components, which include hero sections, landing pages, animations, and loaders, 3D games, some portfolios, UI components, some designs, shaders, and a lot. Now, one thing to warn you that everything that you see here is built using AI. So everything, all the different templates and stuff that you see is completely built using AI. So you might find subtle glitch or not too perfect templates, which is, I think, definitely fine because all of these are free. And then with a few subtle, tweaks, you can get them to a better, version. So it's a really good starting point if you're trying to build something. You have a lot of, ideas to scheme through. You can, look at the various designs and stuff and then get inspired and then build something from scratch, or you can take in a free template and then start building on top. So this is like a really cool thing that you can, check out. So do check him out. And yeah, also, like, just star the repo. So that would also, help. So yeah, and if you find any issues, you can, report it. So like for instance, if you go to any specific project, you can see a visual of how the actual projects looks like, and you can, click on this download. It's going to start downloading instantly. You can view it on GitHub, and yeah, open the live preview, which if I click, it opens the live preview, and then you can, scroll through and then see the entire thing. And you have the code as well, which he used. Basically, you also have the prompt which he used to build this entire thing, so you can also look at that. So yeah, this is like a really cool thing that he built, which is like really crazy. If you see the numbers, it's like over 500. Also, do follow him on Twitter. I will add his ID in the description as well, and also follow him on GitHub as well. And yeah, he does some cool stuff. So this is Pulkit, and yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked both DiMAAC as well as Pulkit's Claude directory. So do share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. I know not everything is perfect. I'm still trying to, do my best. If you guys find any issues or if you have suggestions, please do share it in the comments below, and I will make sure to improve. And yeah, looking for your support in this DiMAAC UI Pro. So with that, I'll end this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace.